Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are talking about a mix of fashion and decoration. When your outfits and your style both look stylish, the whole vibes change. Look stylish, soft colors, pretty lights and elegant outfits. Together they create a classy look. Even simple things can make your beauty and home decor looks amazing. Styles stay with me and let's make your world more beautiful, from your outfits to your home. Style is not only what you wear, it's also how you can live. A stylish dress and beautiful corner in your home can make your day bright. Keep it simple, elegant, and let your style speak for you. Simple outfits with confidence always look beautiful. Be yourself and let your style tell your story. Classy style is always in trend. Clean outfits soft color and simple, that's all you need. Fashion is simple, just make it your day. The looks is so cute and stylish. Simple but beautiful. So friends, welcome to my channel Fashion Icon. In this video I am going to show you mother of the bride and evening gowns. I hope you like it. I love how these outfits gives a fresh and soft vibes. Pretty colors. And easy style. Perfect for any days. Small details make these looks so elegant. These outfits